Hello math lovers, today we are solving a big exponent problem, 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 99. It might look intimidating at first, but trust me, there's a super easy trick to solve it fast. Stay with me till the end and you will master it in no time. So our problem is 2 to the power of 100 minus 2 to the power of 99. Both terms have powers of 2, which means we can factor something out. And that's the key to solving this problem easily. We can write 100 as 99 plus 1. We leave the second part as it is. Now yeah, we can see the 99 here, but we can see this plus 1 in here still. But there's a rule to write this in a different way. If you have a sum in your exponents, let's say something like a to the power of m plus n, then the rule says you can write this as two separate powers. You take base a to the power of first part of the sum m and multiply this by base to the power of second part of the sum n. This is the rule we want to apply now. We write the base 2 to the power of the first part of the sum 99 and we multiply this by the base 2 to the power of the second part of the sum 1. We leave the second part as it is. And now we can see 2 to the power of 99 is here in the first part as it is in the second part. 2 to the power of 1 is same as 2, so we don't have to write this one here. And I want to factor out 2 to the power of 99 because it is in both parts here. So we factor out 2 to the power of 99 and in parentheses from the first part only 2 is left minus, and from the second part 1 is left. And now we have 2 to the power of 99 and let's just calculate what we have in parentheses. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So times 1, we don't have to write it and we have found our solution. See how easy that was. The trick is spotting the common factor and factoring it out. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more math tricks. And if you have another tricky problem you would like me to solve, drop it in the comments. See you in the next video.